Well, hi ladies or gentlemen, Julie here, and you have just received your Radiansome line of skincare. And maybe you're going to use this at night. Maybe you've decided you want to use it morning and night. It doesn't matter, but you're going to see the results. First thing I want you to do is I want you to take another selfie. Good light. Take it with light in front of you, in front of a window, about an arm's length away, and take another selfie because you are going to notice difference again with your skin. All right, so I've already prepped my face. I've cleansed. If remember at night when you're taking off your makeup, you want to do a double cleanse. It doesn't matter which cleansing products that you use. All right, then if you have the Viaton oil mist, this is when you would spritz that on your face, okay? If you don't have it, don't worry about it. It's not a necessity. This actually just adds extra hydration to your skin. And then I don't have this product because I don't have a problem with sensitivity. But if you have redness, sensitivity, and you're using the calming gel, this is when you would put that on your face, okay? And then let it absorb in. I don't have that product. I don't use that product. All right. Then you're going to take this tonic. This is different than most tonics. You don't put it on a cotton ball, okay? You're going to put about 2-3 drops on your face or on your hands. And then I want you to rub that into your face, all over, around your eyes, on your neck, up. Make sure you hit around your mouth, okay? And then you want that to just dry for just a few seconds, 30 seconds, whatever. I usually just kind of go like this, right? Or you can brush your teeth, whatever. Okay, then you're going to take these ampules. This is the product you're going to run out of the quickest. These other products really go quickly, or last a while, but you're going to take and you're going to press that down while it's in the jar, and you see how that's loaded. Then I'm going to take just kind of a dropper full and then dab that all over my face and rub it in. Again, forehead, around your eyes like this. Make sure you hit above your mouth, on your neck. I even go all the way back like this, okay? And again, you want that to dry just a little bit. These ampules, so yeah, I'm finding they last, if you use them just at night, they're lasting about 2 months. If you're using them morning and night, it'll be about a month. That will be a product you might even, if you fall in love with that product, you might want to put it on auto ship because you get extra Riman dollars. Okay, then take your moisture cream, and this is luxurious. This is wonderful. And this is very moisturizing. So that's why I use it at night. All right. So that's your routine. Now, if you are using this in the morning, and I do have several clients who are doing that, if you're using this in the morning, then you want to add your sunscreen afterwards. And again, optional product, you might be using the Viaton multi-stick. If you do, then rub that around your eyes, under your on those dark circles right here. This is where I'm noticing the most change in my face. Right here on my lips is just like starting to sag. Ugh. But anyway, okay, that's your Viaton ritual. Reach out if you have any questions. Take that selfie before you start this, and then take another selfie and send it to me 2 weeks and then 4 weeks afterwards. Often we don't see the change as much as when you look back at the pictures and you go, wow. All right, enjoy your new Radiansome line.